दोस्तों, आज तक आपने क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, टेनिस, बास्केटबॉल, एथलेटिक्स और कई सारे खेलों को देखा होगा, लेकिन आज स्पोर्ट्स टुनाइट आपके साथ एक ऐसे खेल को ला रहा है जिसका नाम है पिकल बॉल। पिकल बॉल का उदय 1965 में अमेरिका के बैनब्रिज, आयरलैंड में हुआ, जिसे जो पिचार्ड और बिल बेल ने एक मनोरंजन के तौर पर खेला और धीरे धीरे इस खेल का प्रचार और प्रसार सभी जगह होने लगा। अब यह खेल अमेरिका से होता हुआ भारत, मुंबई पहुंचा और इसे लाने वाले थे सुनील वालावलकर, जिन्होंने अपने साथियों के साथ मिलकर इस खेल के प्रचार और प्रसार के लिए काफ़ी मेहनत की और ऑल इंडिया पिकल बॉल एसोसिएशन की स्थापना की। दोस्तों, आइए अब हम चलते हैं मुंबई गोरेगांव के जल मंगलदीप यूथ क्लब पर, जहां पर पिकल बॉल के ओपन प्रतियोगिता का तीसरा संस्करण शुरू होने जा रहा है, जहां पर कई खिलाड़ियों ने इस प्रतियोगिता में हिस्सा लिया और इस खेल को पूरे जोश, जुनून और जज्बे के साथ खेला। दर्शकों का जमावड़ा भी दिखलाई पड़ा। आइए अब हम चलते हैं स्पोर्ट्स टुनाइट की एक शानदार पेशकश की ओर।
Hello and welcome to Sports Tonight. I am Rohan Yadav and today I am very delightful to share this mic and the frame with a very respected person. The person who is standing beside me is the World Ambassador of International Federation of Pickleball and also a disciplinary committee member of AIPA, that is All Indian Pickleball Association. Let's have a conversation with Mr. Chetan Sanil. Hello, Mr. Chetan Sanil, sir.
Hello, good evening.
First of all, I would like to thank you for having a conversation with us, and we would like to ask about this JMDYC tournament.
Okay, so like you have seen the grandeur of this tournament, we are holding this tournament for the third time. We were actually planning to hold the third season in February, but because of COVID, we had to postpone it and hold it now. So this tournament has been increasing day by day, because in the first tournament we had only 120 odd players. In the second tournament we had around 165 players, and now today in this tournament we have more than 200 players playing this wonderful sports. So every year we have been increasing the level, and you can see the skill level also. It has increased manifold. So we expect this game to grow tremendously all over India. We have the support of media, people like you. So I'm sure that going ahead this game is going to grow. And JMDYC has always been in the front promoting this game. All the team members, we always go out, give demos, invite more people to join us. So that has been the way JMD has gone ahead promoting this game.
So I would like to ask, what are the other ideas that you have been implementing for promoting this game in India?
Like, we have been contacting various people. We get inquiries from various people from other states, from various places in Mumbai also. So we go there with our kit. We organize a demo and we invite them also to come here, and we help in whatever way, whether it is getting sports gear or any help for coaching and talking to them, telling them about the rules of the game, and attracting them towards this game.
You told us about the support. So what's the support that comes from the sponsors in such major tournaments?
Yeah, it's sponsors is very important as far as organizing a tournament is concerned, because without sponsors you can see the grandeur of this tournament, and to maintain that you definitely need financial backing. And we have been lucky to be associated with various agencies who have come out and supported us in our journey, and because of them we have been able to hold this wonderful tournament here.
Yes, definitely. And you are a brand ambassador of pickleball. You have been certified by International Federation of Pickleball. So you have seen pickleball in different countries outside India, and now at India pickleball game has been reaching to different players at different locations, not only in Mumbai, Maharashtra, but we are seeing pickleball from South India, North India and different locations. So what's your view on the pickleball in India? How is this game growing in India?
See, this game was brought into India by Mr. Sunil Walawalkar in the year 2007, and then he formed this All India Pickleball Association, and since then he has been, promoting this game all over India. And currently we have more than around 18 states playing this game. So, and we are next month we'll be holding a nationals in Hyderabad, Telangana. So we are expecting at least maybe 15 states participating in that tournament. So this game is really growing, and we feel India is such a vast population, and nowadays people are giving more importance to sports. So I think especially this sport is sports for all age group, and it has all the potential of growing.
Yes, sir, definitely. And as you talked about pickleball, Bainbridge Cup that is coming to India in November and December. What's the special feeling about it? What's the excitement of the tournament?
That is a very, very huge responsibility given to India, and we should thank Mr. Arvind Prabhu and Mr. Sunil Walawalkar, who has really spoken about it with the IFP, and they have agreed to offer this responsibility to India, and we are sure that as a team we'll work together and work for the success of this tournament. We expect more than 25 to 30 countries other than India to participate in this tournament. So we are expecting more than 100 foreign players coming into India and participating in this tournament. So it's a World Cup of pickleball sports. So it's a huge responsibility given to India, and we should be very happy, and we'll do all the best to make it a success.
Yes, sir, definitely. One last question. What special message will you give to the Indian sports fan? What are the benefits of pickleball? How will you like to attract them to the sport? A special message for Indian sports fans.
I can only say that you just come into the court once and you will fall in love with this sport, because it's a very addictive sport, and it's a sports for all age group. A child from 6 years, 7 years old up to 70, 75 years person can play this sports. So it is sports for everybody. It is very easy to learn. You don't have much of an injury. At the same time, it is good for your fitness. It's a good cardiovascular exercise. So we have a lot of cases wherein people have been able to control their diabetes. They have improved their physical fitness. So it's a game for all age groups. So definitely people should at least try it once.
Yes, sir, definitely. I think pickleball will reach to a wide audience. So thank you, sir, for having a conversation with Sports Tonight.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
JMDYC के तीसरे संस्करण में महाराष्ट्र के कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर असलम शेख जी मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पर उपस्थित थे और उन्होंने इस खेल का भरपूर आनंद उठाया। और इस प्रतियोगिता में असलम शेख जी ने सभी खिलाड़ियों को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए अपने भाषण के द्वारा सभी को मंत्रमुग्ध किया।
It's good to see like it's a child to the senior citizen can play this game and make game best. A lot of new things are coming out from the season if you go to see. But I think so this will also grow up and you keep on playing more and more games, so automatically when people get more interest in this game and then automatically it becomes a national event and then automatically goes to international also. And later on also if you see 50 years back how many games did the Olympic had and now how many games the Olympic is having. It goes by time, it takes a little bit time in each way, but from my government and from my side as being a local friend or local MLA or local guardian minister, I'm always there to support this event. I'm always there to support the pickle ball, pickle everybody is, and this is a pickle game also, and I hope everybody is going to enjoy this. And I'm always there to support wherever you want to organize across the city, across the state, or any of you other people who are associated with you in any state or any part of any district also. I'm always there to support with the local government people and all whatever you need. And definitely I'm going to stand with you people whenever you need me. Thank you for inviting me over here and all the participants, all the best. Let the best guy win the game. And a lot of ministers also there. Keep it up. God bless. And
Hello and welcome to Sports Night. My name is Rohan Yadav and here we are at the live pickleball action of third season JMDYC pickleball tournament. And today with us is a very special guest, that is an international pickleball athlete, Williams. So we would like to welcome to our channel.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me. It's good to be here.
So what's your experience about pickleball, your life experience about pickleball?
Gosh, well, you know, here's what's great. I was in class 9, and my teacher in the U.S., he taught me how to play pickleball. Because I was playing tennis, lawn tennis, but then there was nowhere to play. It was just a small sport then. And so I played lawn tennis, table tennis, and then I just kind of forgot about the sport until about 6 months ago. There is one club in the U.S. called 3BC. And so one of the older gentlemen invited me to come play. And so played for about the last 6 months. And now that I came to Mumbai, I went on to Facebook, Googled for where is there pickleball? And Sunil sir, he messaged me and began WhatsApping and then began starting to play here locally. And then they invited me for the tournament. So here I am, you know.
And what you will say about India?
Yeah, so it's been good. I've been traveling in and around India for the last 10 years. And but this is the first time I've come across pickleball in India. So I've seen cricket and kabaddi and everything like that, yeah. But to be at the tournament, to be here live, to get a chance to play in it, it's a great honor to be around and see the sport growing. And so I just hope I perform well, represent my country, you know.
So what's the best thing about India?
Oh, the food. Absolutely, right.
What's your favorite food?
Oh, dal makhani with some butter naan, maybe a little chicken tikka on the side. So, or some good chicken biryani. So I'll go for both. Yeah.
So I would like to ask a very important question. What does pickleball gives to you?
Yeah, you know, it's an opportunity. So I'm getting older, right? I'm in 40 plus group now. And I can't play the lawn tennis, right? And, you know, I'm not really good at cricket. I haven't learned to play. But this sport is a small space. It's quick, right? It's active. You get a good sweat. You get the exercise you need. And there's also a lot of time like this. Sit around and talk, meet people. And so both the social aspect, physical aspect, also helps with the spiritual part of your life. It's all good.
So I would like to ask, who is your favorite sports person?
Oh, gosh. So cricket is Kohli, right? You got to love Kohli. For basketball, Zion Williamson is my favorite player.
So what do you see the difference between the pickleball in India and pickleball in America, US there?
Oh gosh. Well, I think the great thing is you have outdoor courts, right? When I was playing in the US, it was playing indoors. Like it was a basketball court with taped off. That makes a big difference, right? The wind blowing, the outside. But also I think in both places, it's growing really fast, right? And so new places are coming, new things are being built, new players are coming to the sport. And so it's just great for me to learn here and to cheer for India whenever they get to travel and play.
So how do you introduce someone to this game?
Well, so I sent to my friends in the US, I sent them the link, and they're going to watch tonight, or their morning, they're going to watch this on YouTube. And I think just talking about it, I think like when Brother Sunil said, doing the events, like going to south of India and blocking off the street or going to other clubs where they have lawn tennis and doing demonstrations, that's the best way to introduce them to the sport.
Pickleball is a combination of three sports: table tennis, lawn tennis and badminton. So I would like to ask, this is a very interesting game as we see them playing, the action, the dedication in the players. So I would like to ask, what is your dream?
You know, it would be great to see the Pickleball Association grow to become a national sport. And then to see Indian players compete like they did in Thailand just last 2 months back, but to travel around the world and be some of the top players in the world. That would be so great to see.
How much are you excited about this tournament?
I'm playing with Sunil sir, and so I want to make sure that I don't make him look bad. And maybe we'll win a few games, and it'd be great to take home a medal to my kids tomorrow morning.
Hello and welcome to Sports Tonight. My name is Rohan Yadav and today we Team Sports Tonight are here at Goregaon, Mumbai watching some live action of pickleball. And with us is a very special guest, the person who is behind this tournament, the director of this tournament, Mr. Gopal Tikmani. First of all, welcome to Sports Tonight.
Thank you so much, Ron. It's a pleasure to be here.
So first of all, I would like to ask you, how did you manage to cover this tournament? It was a 3-day action and it was very difficult. More than 200 athletes all over the country of India and also from international athletes. So how was your management?
So, as you see, I was not the only one behind this. I had the whole team of JMDYC. So, they played a very crucial role. And obviously, we have been growing steps. This was a third season. So, we had those past experiences on how we needed to improve. And when it comes to managing, the support behind the scenes is immense. And what we thought was this was way better and way larger than that. And after a certain point, I've also managed national level tournaments. I also went with the Indian team to Thailand at the Asian Open. So I have that experience with me. So that helped me a lot, obviously. And I would like to thank the All India Pickleball Association for that. And as it comes to managing, obviously, at the start it becomes pretty tough. But once you get the flow, it becomes easier, obviously.
So as you told to us that you have this JMDYC has hosted 3 seasons.
Yes.
The first season, second season, now the third season. So how was the experience of these 3 seasons?
So the first season was just we thought of it as an entertainment. We thought let's do it, let's see what happens. And we had around 80-85 players participating in that season, which was a huge number 3 years back. And at that time I was pretty young. So I was in the back seat, I wasn't in the front seat, but I learned the nitties and gritties of the game. So when it comes to managing, it was obviously a learning curve for me. And then as I was learning, I kept on progressing. I saw on what areas could we improve. In the first season, a common error which we made was that people had to wait hours for their matches. So that I decided okay, so I'll just call a certain amount of people, I'll play them their matches, and then I'll call the other lot. So those are the small learnings which we have. So first season we started off with 80 players. Last season we have 160 players. And this season we've touched 200 players. So that's a big feat in itself. 200 players which have been from Mumbai, Jalgaon, Aurangabad. We've got players internationally as well. So it has been a great, if it comes to growth and if it comes to progress, I don't see anyone growing at this rate. And I hope that people start growing because this is such a beautiful sport. Once it starts growing, I'm telling you, this will cover all bases and this will be the next household name.
Yeah, definitely. As you told us that you have also visited Thailand in Asia Cup of pickleball. So what will you tell to our fans about this game pickleball?
So it is a very entertaining and very fun game. So all you need is just a badminton-sized court and that's it. A badminton-sized court, it is just basically a combination of badminton, table tennis and tennis. So we also like to call it a smaller version of tennis. So just a badminton-sized court, you get paddles and balls which you use to hit the balls, and it's just a simple game. We have this line in pickleball. Anyone from the age of 8 to 80 can play the sport. And it's a very beautiful sport. Here we had the oldest competing participant of 67 years old. The youngest was a 6-year-old boy. So you see the diversity. You see males, females, housewives, working women. Each and everyone is participating and giving their best shot. It is not just a game, but it also helps to keep you fit. So to the fans of Sports Tonight who are hearing about this for the first time or who haven't tried pickleball, I would definitely say give it a shot. If you're in Mumbai, if you're in Goregaon, you can come to JMDYC. There are a few other places in Mumbai as well. Just give it a shot. You'll completely fall in love with the game.
As you definitely said, I posted a video of pickleball yesterday and many of my friends and other people were messaging me and asking which is this sport. It is a combination of table tennis which look like racket. So when you were introduced to this sport for the very first time, what was your reaction?
So I was introduced to this sport 4 to 5 years back. When I was a kid, we used to play badminton in the evening. And then one fine gentleman came who lives in a society, Mr. Manoj Jadhav. He came and he introduced us to the game. And I was like, okay, it's fun, let's try it out. And once you get the feel of the ball on your paddle and once you start playing, it's just so good that you get addicted to it. You can't move away from it. And behind doing all of this, the team JMDYC has that passion for pickleball. Passion and that that passion for pickleball is what drives us to host such tournaments at a large scale. So that is one of the other things which we focus on. And like you said, when I saw it for the first time, I was like, let's give it a try. And once you get addicted, you just can't stop playing it. Every evening, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. we play here. We play like dogs. And it's a very fun experience.
So one last question, Gopal. What's the future vision of JMDYC?
So the vision is pretty clear if you ask us. Regarding pickleball, grow it, host more seasons, get more players into the game. And JMDYC is not just pickleball, it is a mixture of all sports, cricket, football, everything. Our aim is to excel at all of them, play it for enjoyment and play it for the competition. And when it comes to pickleball, obviously I have this dream one day, like before the next 3 seasons, to have 1,000 players and host it at a big enough venue where we can have 8 courts, 10 courts or maybe 16 courts even. So that we can have this at such a large scale. We can have players across the country and maybe even across the globe. This time we had a few international players. Maybe we could have 50, 100 international players also. So that is obviously the aim. We aim high. And when it comes to, say, the next 1 or 2 seasons, obviously grow exponentially, convert these 200 players into 400 players and just keep growing. There's no looking back from here. Just keep spreading the beautiful sport.
Thank you, Gopal, for having a conversation with Team Sports tonight.
Thank you, Rohan. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
So this was Gopal and we are here watching some amazing action of pickleball. Keep watching this game and help this game as a viewer, as a fan to promote and support this game. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Sports Tonight. My name is Rohan Yadav and today we are here watching some amazing action of pickleball at the third season of JMDYC Pickleball Tournament 2022. And today with us is a very special guest, a legend, Mr. Arvind Prabhu sir, who is the chairman of All India Pickleball Federation, and we are very excited to have a conversation with him. So first of all, we would like to welcome you sir to our channel.
Yeah, thank you for having me here.
सर तसं एकदम पहिले आम्हाला हे विचारायचं आहे की पिकलबॉल या खेळाप्रती तुम्हाला प्रेम कसं हे आला.
मी लहानपणापासूनच टेबल टेनिस बॅडमिंटन खेळायचो आणि पिकलबॉल ज्यावेळी सुनील वालावलकर सरांनी मला दाखवला गेम, तर हे एक कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टेबल टेनिस आणि बॅडमिंटन आहे. तर साहजिकच आहे असा गेम मला तो आवडला आणि अतिशय चांगला गेम आहे आणि रेक्रिएशन ॲज वेल ॲज कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह गेम असल्यामुळे मला हा लगेच गेम आवडला.
तर सर तुम्ही पिकलबॉलच्या ग्रोथसाठी अजून काय काय आयडियाज आहेत तुमच्या मनात आणि काय काय इम्प्लिमेंट तुम्ही केलेत आतापर्यंत पिकलबॉलसाठी?
नाही, गेले 4 वर्ष मी पिकलबॉल ग्रो करायचा प्रयत्न करतो आहे आणि त्याच्या अनुषंगाने आम्ही पहिली रँकिंग टुर्नामेंट केली. जे देशभरातले जेवढे चांगले प्लेयर्स आहेत त्यांना रँकिंग टुर्नामेंट केली. त्याच्यानंतर वेगवेगळ्या टुर्नामेंट्स आम्ही केल्या. त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही प्लेयर्सना बरंचसं प्रशिक्षण देतो. मेंटल हेल्थ कशी त्यांनी मेंटेन करावी, फिजिकल, न्यूट्रिशन, सायकोलॉजिकल आणि स्ट्रेंथ अँड कंडिशनिंग, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्ही आमच्या संकुलात प्लेयर्सना शिकवतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्यांचा गेम आता चांगला वाढत चालला आहे.
आणि सर पिकलबॉलची जी बेस्ट थिंग आहे ते तुम्हाला काय लागते की बेस्ट थिंग ते तुम्हाला आवडते पिकलबॉलच्या बद्दल?
हा गेम अक्रॉस एजेस खेळू शकतो. म्हणजे एक 5 वर्षाची व्यक्ती पण खेळू शकते आणि एक 75 वर्षाचा पण माणूस किंवा वृद्ध माणूस खेळू शकतो. त्याच्यामुळे हा गेम त्याला बाउंड्री नाही आहे. म्हणजे लहानातले लहानात आणि वृद्धातले वृद्ध लोक खेळू शकतात. अतिशय सिम्पल गेम आहे. शिकायला पण मास्टर करायला फार डिफिकल्ट आहे, फार मेहनत करायला लागते. तर हा गेम अतिशय चांगला आहे आणि भारतामध्ये येत्या काळामध्ये हा गेम फार वेगाने वाढणार आहे, ह्याची मला काही शंका नाही आहे.
आणि सर जसं आता आम्हाला माहीत पडलं की बेनब्रिज कप जे आता इंडियामध्ये होणार आहे 2022 या वर्षात नोव्हेंबर आणि डिसेंबरमध्ये, एवढा मोठा टुर्नामेंट, त्याच्याबद्दल तुमची काय एक्साइटमेंट आहे ते आम्हाला सांगा.
सर्वप्रथम मी इंटरनॅशनल फेडरेशन ऑफ पिकलबॉलचे धन्यवाद देतो की त्यांनी बेनब्रिज कपसारखी जी पिकलबॉलचा वर्ल्ड कप आहे ही टुर्नामेंट भारतामध्ये घेण्याची परमिशन त्यांनी दिली. आणि आमचे अध्यक्ष पॅट मर्फी, डेव्हिड जॉर्डन, सुनील वालावलकर आणि कॅरेन लाँग आणि जो अख्खा IFPचा बोर्ड आहे, ह्या लोकांनी आमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये आणि भारतामध्ये त्यांना कॉन्फिडन्स त्यांनी दाखवला आणि त्याच्यामुळे हा एक मोठा गेम आपण नोव्हेंबर-डिसेंबरमध्ये करणार आहोत.
सर पिकलबॉलसोबत अजून कुठले असे खेळ आहेत ज्यांची तुमची आवड आहे आणि तुम्ही बघतात?
नाही, सगळेच गेम्स मी बघतो. त्यातल्या क्रिकेट तर सगळ्यांनाच आवडते. त्याच्यानंतर स्विमिंग, जिमनॅस्टिक्स, टेबल टेनिस.
सर जे भारतात पिकलबॉलचे फॅन्स आहेत, स्पोर्ट्सचे फॅन्स आहेत, त्यांच्यासाठी तुमचा काय संदेश?
माझा संदेश असा आहे की भारतातले जे नौजवान आहेत त्यांनी कुठचा ना कुठचा तरी स्पोर्ट नक्कीच खेळावा. आता स्पोर्ट्ससाठी चांगलं ॲटमॉस्फिअर चांगलेलं आहे आणि कुठच्या तरी स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटी त्यांनी घ्यावी. स्टे फिट, स्टे ॲक्टिव्ह हे स्पोर्ट्सनीच होऊ शकते आणि हेल्दी लाईफस्टाईल मेंटेन करण्यासाठी कुठचा तरी एक स्पोर्ट त्यांनी घ्यावा आणि त्यातल्या त्यात जर त्यांनी पिकलबॉल घेतला तर मला अतिशय बरं वाटेल. धन्यवाद.
Thank you sir for having a conversation with Sports Tonight. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So this was Mr. Arvind Prabhu, the legendary person who has made such an impactful changes for growing, for the development of pickleball in India. So we would like to thank Mr. Arvind Prabhu for having a conversation with us. So you are watching Sports Tonight. Keep watching this game. Thank you.